What if I told you that while you're buried under textbooks, someone your age is making money without lifting a finger? That's not a fantasy. That's passive income. And if you think it's impossible while studying, think again. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'll give you 5 powerful ways to make money while focusing on your studies. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because the last tip, it's the one no one talks about, and the one that could change everything. You're already learning new things every day. Why not turn that knowledge into money? Blogging, YouTube, or even writing ebooks. The internet rewards those who share valuable insights. And before you say, but I don't have an audience, guess what? Neither did the biggest YouTubers when they started. Besides, people watch hours of cats knocking over vases. Your content has to be more useful than that, right? Speaking of things that require little effort, but bring big returns, let's talk about your second income stream. Imagine uploading a simple study guide or an exam cheat sheet today and still making money from it 6 months later. That's the magic of digital products. If you can create templates, planners, or even study notes, websites like Gumroad and Etsy can turn your schoolwork into cash. But what if I told you there's a way to make money without ever creating a product yourself? Keep watching. Ever told a friend about an amazing gadget, book, or software? What if that recommendation made you money? Welcome to affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon Associates or even software companies will pay you for every person who buys through your link. And here's the best part. You don't need to sell. Just share what you already love. I mean, if influencers can make millions promoting protein shakes they don't even drink, why not you? But what if you don't want to rely on social media? No problem, because our next strategy makes you money while you sleep. Literally. Here's a harsh truth. If your money isn't working for you, it's losing value. Inflation is eating it up every single day. The solution? Smart investing. Even with just $50, you can start with index funds, dividend stocks, or REITs. And if the stock market sounds intimidating, remember, the world's wealthiest people didn't get rich from saving. They got rich from investing. But what if you want to earn passive income without spending a dime? The final tip is the ultimate zero-cost money machine. Design once, earn forever. Print on Demand lets you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without ever touching inventory. Websites like Redbubble and Teespring handle everything for you. One good design can bring you income for months, even years. And no, you don't need to be Picasso. Simple text-based designs like Coffee First, Adulting Later have made people thousands. So there you have it, 5 ways to make passive income while studying. But remember, knowing isn't enough. Action is what separates those who struggle from those who thrive. Now, if you're serious about building wealth in your 20s, you can't stop here. The next step? Learning exactly how to get rich in your 20s the right way. Click on this video here, and let's make it happen.